a couple apartments here in the Florida garage. And breakfast is gonna be lots of greens. So we got that creamed spinach stuff again. I love this action, getting all my critical nutrients from this. And then in door number 2, I just opened some like frittata type of thing. So there's some eggs in there and some nice crusts. So I stopped by at my buddy Brian's place, and he's turned into a total island guy. And in the process, he has completely rocked his sport. He particularly likes to make Argentine shrimp.
Yep, with key limes and chili powder.
So today, it's gonna be how to clean your GoSun Sport day. Really try to work the crust off of that tray. And now I'm gonna put it in vertical mode. So what I'm gonna do is I'm grabbing the center of the tube and I'm gonna grab the center of the bottom bracket, pull those two apart and rotate the legs. Then I'm gonna lean the product in the vertical position at the sun. Now this will allow everything to get nice and hot. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with water all the way to the top.
What are you doing, Skipper?
He won't go over the top. Some mushroom ravioli. Yeah. Keep in mind, you wouldn't want to put water inside a GoSun Sport that had been preheated. So we let the water heat up for a while, filled all the way to the top. And now I've got a little soap with the scrubby attached, and I'm gonna go ahead and wash everything real nicely. And it goes so fast. I rode to the beach, packing a pre-cooked GoSun. You loved it too much and you dive too deep. It does smell like lobster. Oh yeah. Brian and Carlie showed me a really good time and some really great recipes. This shrimp really didn't taste much like shrimp at all. It's almost like a lobster. Phenomenal. Been turned off out of the sun while we were on the beach, and we've got some really good looking caramelized carrots and a nice tarragon chicken. Oh, look at the solar panels on the rooftop here. All right, that's the kind of stroll I'm talking about. Slam dunking. What's this? In here? Okay. Careful, it's hot. It's very hot. After a sweet day on the beach and some yummy cookies, I try to get some relaxing time on the couch. Well, that's Skipper for you. Relaxing didn't work so well, so I thought I'd go out and chase the sun some more. Beautiful sunset. Thanks, Anne Maria. These guys are not afraid of the waves. Looks like they found a juicy spot. Life in Florida is almost too easy. But my luck would have it, and plans have changed. I'm heading north towards Cincinnati, and it's raining all weekend long. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do, but that whole nourishing drink thing, yeah, that might come to play. By the way, this pina colada is not nourishing.